Hello traders out there in Traderland. My name's D7 here at Grok Trade. This is the weekend edition. Good through Sunday, November 18th, 2018. We've got Thanksgiving coming up not too long from now. Anyway, let's take a look here at the markets. Friday, we end the day mostly in bullish territory. Nasdaq in negative territory. US dollar also falling. And if you look down here, you have crude oil bouncing. It's higher, silver higher, gold higher. VIX dropping 9%. That's newsworthy there. Fear leaving the market. We're at 18 at this moment. Bitcoin, big drop the last couple of days. Down to 54.67. Here we are, a quick look at the weekly chart. First in the S&P 500, we have this big uptrend on the weekly chart. Then we go into a pinching rising wedge, and then we broke down from that. This support level, this trend line, was broken. So let me show this to you. It was broken right there. We come up, we try to get a back above it. We could not. We closed below it. Then we dropped again. We hit this trend line, we start to bounce up. We go up, we touch this trend line. Sellers came into it and dropped again. And Friday, we open, we drop down to this trend line, we come right back up. And if you notice, these trend lines are just spot on. If that is of any importance to you, go to where is it? Where is it? Okay, it's right here. Grok Trade. And here in the top, trend line, it's a recording. Market maker recording here, hedging recording here. Feel free to indulge yourselves. You can do that right above at groktrade.com. Okay. I'm going to go to the daily charts. I'm going to pick up the pace here a little bit. On Thursday, got a buy on it. We did go up. We're in a symmetrical triangle. We're caught up in the moving averages. Anything can happen, but we're moving to the upside. Diamonds, same thing. Big symmetrical triangle. We bounce before we hit support. That's more bullish and is bearish. And we are heading higher. Nasdaq, I had a buy on it. Today we actually lost a little bit, but we closed for the day more bullish than we opened. That is good. But another triangle. We're caught up in, so look for a lot of consolidations. Look for the markets to go higher, drift higher, but a lot of consolidation until we break out of these trend lines. Russell's 2000, same thing. Big symmetrical triangle. Got a buy on it. We are starting to head higher. Will we rally higher? We absolutely could. Financials, drop. Found support here at this trend line. A gap down, goes up. I put a buy on it, and we're starting to head higher. Look for that to go higher. US dollar, if you look here, have a sell on it. Oh, and we close below a trend line. So my sell is good. Look for the US dollar to keep dropping. Crude oil, have a sell on it, down. I'm good with the sell on crude oil. Silver, I have a buy on it. I'm good with that buy, but we're running right into resistance. That could be a sell. Gold, oh, we're at resistance. I'm putting a sell on gold. We're at resistance, and people sold into that. These trend lines are spot on. You want to learn how to do those correctly. And if you get any of those courses, you're actually going to get 2 recordings, and you'll learn something from each of them. I think you'll find those being really beneficial. VIX, got a sell on it. It is dropping. Let me see something here. We're coming into a support level. Bitcoin, I had a sell on it. I did a sell on November 8th at 6,400. Now we're at 5,400. A big sell off here. And the question is will this be bouncing back anytime soon? Hard telling. Hard telling. Let's go and look at some stocks of interest. Let's start with the Dow 30. Let's go there. Apple's always a favorite. Oh, do I want to put a buy on that? I think I'm going to. For you guys that don't know what I am doing here, you will see that I have buy and sells here, and I put those out for public to see, just like this. I threw this on here. From this point forward, anytime you watch the video and I pull up Apple, you're going to see that arrow there. I put those calls out there just so you say, I want to be mentored by those guys. I want to be trained by them. So for example, Apple. Would you have liked to have known to be short on Apple at 228, and right now it's at 193? When most people just keeps buying Apple, we sold it. Here we bought it. Boom, up. So I do that for social proof. AXP, let's go there. Had a sell on it. Had to make it a buy when it bounced, and I'm good with that buy. Boeing broke support. It's in trouble. I have a sell on it. I'm good with that sell. Bad news for Boeing. Caterpillar, got a buy on it. It's going higher. Good with that. Cisco, put a buy on it yesterday. Why is that here? No. That was yesterday. Arrows haven't been put on today. That's Thursday. But it's dropping. So it's going against me already. Okay. CVX, I got a buy on it. Oh, it broke the trend line. Look for CVX Chevron to go higher. Disney, got a buy on it. Oh, it went against me on Friday. So that one didn't work out. It's not working out. It may still. Hold on a second. Do I want to put a sell on that? I'm going to go back to Disney. No, I'm going to stay with my buy. I'm just underwater on that one. This is Dow DuPont. Got a buy on it. It's starting to go higher. Not too bad. Oh, whoa. This is interesting. This is General Electric, GE. I had a buy on it. Went against me. Put a sell on it. I'm ready to put a buy on this. I think this is a buy territory here. I'm going to wait for confirmation. Goldman Sachs. I have a sell on it. It broke support. It's in a lot of trouble. Look for more downside. Home Depot. I got a sell on it. Whoa, that gets a buy now. This I haven't confirmed it by going back and looking. I don't have time to do this. This may not be specialist behavior. But anyway, there's a good chance that that's going to bounce. The reason I bring up specialist behavior is because if you go to Grok Trade right up here, the middle button at the top is the specialist behavior or market makers. If you want to learn to trade with the market makers, it is an awesome webinar. And put a buy on IBM. Starting to head higher here. Okay, let's keep moving. Hope the speed's okay with you guys. I got to sell. Oh, no, a buy. We're going up. So that's working out nicely. Johnson & Johnson. I have a buy on it. I'm still in this. So we have 136 and we're at 146. So we're 10 points in the positive here. Pretty nice. JP Morgan, got a buy on it. It's really not doing anything yet, but I really think this has a decent chance of going higher. Coca-Cola, whoa. Have a buy on it when it broke this at 46. We're at 50 already. Very nice. McDonald's was up over 2% today. So we did a bull pullback to the rising MA with a hammer time. Boom. Nice run. Perfect setup for a bull pullback. Triple M broke resistance. That's huge, guys. That is, look for more upside there. Merck bounced off of support, put a buy on it, and boom, going higher, just as expected. Microsoft, have a buy on it. It did go higher. It's going in the right direction. Nike, come on. Put a buy on it. Ooh, it gapped down, but now it's starting to go higher. Let's see if it'll keep going. PFE, put a buy on it, going up. PG gets a sell. So there's our sell. So PG, we got in at 87. going to sell it in 93, almost 94, because look how it touched the trend line. Do you see that? It touched it and people sold into that trend line. It's not by accident. Hold on, let me see, because you need at least 2 lines to draw any line. So this line is here, and you can draw this yourself on your September 20th, 2017. You can see the date right down here, but that's September 19th. And then, holy smokes, look at this, and it goes all the way over here to December 23rd, 2014. So those are your 2 points, 1914, 1917, and that's why, I mean, isn't that just insane? Went up and touched it, and people sold into it. Learn to draw those trend lines correctly. This is a great example. Holy smokes. Mark the Meerkat, if you're watching this video, you might want to use this to add this example into our mentorship, because it's just like a picture perfect one to do as an example. TRV, whoa, so put a buy at support, came down. See how buyers came in on this trend line? This trend line, we had support here, but look how we came down right here. Buyers came in at these levels of support, and then boom, boom, big runs up. UNH, got a buy, came down, got near the area, too strong for it to even get to the support line, and then it rallied higher. Very good on UNH. UTX, sell and then a buy. So that one didn't work out so well, but I'm bullish on that one. Visa, sell and a buy again. This one, I sold it on this one, bought on this one. That one went against me. I wish I could win on all of them. I cannot. Verizon, put a sell and then a buy here, and then boom, a nice high base breakout. WBA. I have right here, sell and then a buy. Look for this high base to break out. And look at this. We put a sell on Walmart right before Christmas. Isn't that something? At $103, $104. And now we're at 97. Man, what a nasty little drop. Exxon, put a buy on it at support. So here is, man, is this specialist behavior? That could be specialist behavior play or market maker play. I'm just looking for, boom. Let me see here. Maybe. Again, this one may or may not be market maker. If it's market maker, look for a nice upside run here. Okay, let's go into some tech stocks. Let's look at those. Grok tech stocks. We already looked at Apple. Let's go to AMD. Down 4%. Are you kidding? So I put a buy on it, and that's a bear flag. So I got to be careful with this one. I'm going to stay bullish on it for the time being. Amazon was down 1.6. Put a buy on it, so it's down. It's going against me here, but I think we're going to be okay. Baba is going up. I'm good. Baidu, put a buy on it. Ooh, boy, it's just under a lot of pressure. Booking, we got a sell on it, and I'll stay with my sell. Cisco, I put a buy on it. Oh, we already looked at this one. That was the one that I just put on the wrong one. It's on this one. But it looks like this could start heading down on me. So, Catfish, got a buy on it at support, and boom, going higher, and it broke a trend line. Did it break a trend line? Hold on. Oh, it did break a trend line, guys. This is big. Look for Catfish, go higher. eBay, got a buy on it. Oh, it didn't move today. Facebook, got a buy on it, but it went against me. I'm going to put that. Google, got a buy on it. I'll stay with it. Google with an L. Got a buy on it. I'll stay with that one. GoPro, I got a buy on it. Starting to head up. Microsoft, got a buy on it. Starting to head up. We looked at that one already. Micron, Got a buy on it, and I'm good with that. Netflix was down 1.3%. Got a sell on it. Oh, that could be a buy fairly soon. But this is market maker behavior here. Do you see this? We enter on this candlestick, enter on that candlestick. I don't play market maker. I give very generic buy and sells here. They are not the ones that I always use. I use other ones, and so anyway, those are for what we teach. Whoa! Nvidia had earnings, had a big sell-off. We had a sell on it, so that's nasty. Oracle got a buy on it, but we're near resistance. I'm going to stay with it because if it breaks through, I'll be glad I'm long. PayPal, I got a buy on it. Went against me. Look at this today. Failed. Red Hat, I'm good with that. Buy. Shopify, I'm good with that. Snap was down 5%. I put a buy on it, went against me. I am going to turn that around. Twitter, I got a buy on it. I'm good with Twitter. Let's get into monologue. So, hey, this weekend, I'm heading to Fort Bragg in North Carolina. I'm going to be touring Fort Bragg. I'm going to be doing so with the famous UFC Hall of Famer, Ken Shamrock. I work with him. We're business partners, and he's gonna be making an appearance there. And we're gonna be doing the world's most dangerous fundraiser for veterans. I very much am looking forward to hanging out with the soldiers, meeting. We're going to be hanging out with Tier 1 guys. These are the special ops individuals. So we're going to be with that battalion, and very much looking forward to that. I'm geeking out over it, actually. And well, there's a 3-star general there, and LaCamera is his name. He's Lieutenant General. But he isn't going to be there when we're showing up. I wanted to have a chance to meet a 3-star general. How cool would that have been? But anyway, I really do respect our veterans. I do. And so that's it. Looking forward to our little trip. And yeah, so you guys, I don't know if you know this or not. If you're watching on YouTube you can click subscribe. And if you click subscribe, you'll be subscribed to us. But there's a little bell next to it. If you click the bell, it will actually alert you when we post the video, so you can be first in line to watch the video. So I appreciate your comments. I love it when you give me thumbs up or thumbs down. I just appreciate you giving me your feedback on approval or disapproval. and then your just kind comments. So anyway, take care, and we'll catch up with you guys soon. We'll see you. Bye. Guys, last couple weeks, you've lost probably 8 to 10 times more in your portfolio than what an education from us would have cost you. Invest in yourself. There's no greater expense than being ignorant in what market tuition will cost you. Do yourself a favor, look us up for mentoring. It's 3 days. We have one coming up. Go to Grok Trade. There's top of Grok Trade. I'm not even going to show you the website. Go to groktrade.com. At the top, there's a button there for hedging. You can take the hedging course out to help you during this time, so you don't get your head handed to you. But if you want to make money in this volatility, if you're just don't want your head handed to you, then mentoring. I'm not here peddling it to you, but what just irks me to no end is individuals who think that autodidacticism, that's trying to learn something themselves, is the smart way to go. And they think that learning to trade is something that you can get yourself. I'm telling you, I thought I blew through 2 accounts until one day I woke up and thought, I can't do it myself. Don't let that be you. Don't let your money dry up. Don't lose money in the markets. Learn to be savvy. Kill it out there. Be a shark. Don't be bait fish. Be the person out there that's the smart one, that has a system in place. Trading is significant. It can be the best thing that's ever happened to you and your family. Or it could be one of the heartaches, one of the broken dreams of your tomorrow. But I'll pose this one question to you. If you go through our trading mentorship, if you're like, man, I'm in, I don't care what it costs because I'd rather put my money, invest it into education than lose it in the markets. If that is you, ask yourself, after you go, we give you all the tips, all the tricks, we give you everything. We pull out the stops for you and give you everything to reach your full potential in trading. We give it all to you. From this date, 1 year from now, where will you be? How will your life, how will it have changed? That question will tell you everything you need to know. GrokTrade.com. Check us out. Catch you guys later. We'll see you.